Your parents' kindness cannot be repaid, even if you sacrifice your life, so be respectful in thought, word, and deed. Virtue and evil both come from perceived objects and companions, so don't keep company with evildoers. Don't remain in a place where people are hostile towards you and which furthers anger and desire. If you do, it only increases disturbing emotions in yourself and others. Stay where your state of mind is at ease, and your Dharma practice will automatically progress. To remain in places of extreme attachment and aversion is only distracting. Stay where your Dharma practice develops. If you become conceited, your virtue diminish, so give up being arrogant and haughty. If you become disappointed and disheartened, console yourself and be your own counsel. Re-embark on the path. The Guru Padma said, if you want to genuinely practice the Dharma, do what is virtuous, even the most minute deed. Renounce what is evil, even the tiniest deed. The largest ocean is made from drops of water. Even Mount Sumeru and the 4 continents are made of tiny atoms.